Alrighty, we're back. Sorry my camera keeps overheating on me. I'm using my phone. Need to invest in an actual camera. So this is our hard solder that we ended up with. Nice, shiny silver color. When you drop it into the water, it prevents it from oxidizing in the air, makes it have a nice color and stuff. Oh, should have flipped that up. And this is our easy solder. It's got a little bit more of a copper tinge to it, but that's just because of I think it's because I used the copper wire that I did. You could put a little bit more zinc and a little less copper if you wanted to try and get rid of that color, but you'll see the difference right away here once we start smelting. So I have easy solder right here and hard solder right there. And we'll see how this works. So first the easy solder. Oh, you guys can't see that very good. And look at that. Oh, I didn't do it enough. Easily melts together. Alright, my camera doesn't focus and my shaky ass hands don't make it much better. And the hard solder, and you'll see how much harder this one is. This one we almost have to melt the silver to and boom. As we saw, we had to actually melt the top surface of the silver wire before it would start to fuse. It's quite a hard solder. It's good for your first couple of joints you make when you're making jewelry. It'll prevent it from melting later on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like me to do, leave it in the comments section. I'd love to hear it. Thanks.